Hello everyone and welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 16th of February. Looking at dollar yen, which has again accelerated to the downside. Look at the number of bear candles that we've got going on. We've hit a low of 105.50, and if I put the crosshair there and zoom out, it coincides with this high here from August 2016. So that is a basis of support. Interestingly, the market is stretched arguably to the downside. 21 on the RSI is the lowest we've seen on the RSI since 2016 as well. So there is a degree of oversold nature to this run lower that we've seen in the last few days, and may well drive a bit of a near-term rebound. However, you would also argue that dollar yen does trend when it gets going, and this is certainly a big downtrend that we're seeing, and a big sell-off. But as I said, we could be in line for a bit of a near-term rebound, and you've seen a little bit of an unwinding move, and this hourly chart shows the fact that you've got lower highs, lower lows, flanked by this 21-hour moving average, which comes in around 106.13, so not a million miles away from where we are now. You've got the resistance levels, yesterday's high, 106.80. Interestingly, around old support, again, 107.50, 107.60, again around these old lows. So there is sort of basis that any sort of rebounds are likely to flounder and subsequently be sold into, but just the immediate downside potential might start to become a little bit limited with this oversold nature of the market. However, I would also add that this is a really strong downtrend, so the selling pressure is fairly significant, and you could well see the market continue to go. But I think ultimately there is further weakness to be seen, and I think having broken 107.30, I think 100 big figure is likely to be seen in the coming weeks and months. It's just as to how fast it gets there, because it is a touch stretched now on the RSI. But when dollar yen goes, it really does tend to go, and that is the reason for staying short on dollar yen, I suppose. But it is oversold. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.